Yo,
Hello guys,
what's up?
welcome
Okay,
to
let's
our
play the
new video. Today we are doing a collab with Sega. I mean Aiden, he hates being called Sega.
and I'm with
So
Protosune,
we're gonna play Minecraft today.
and there's these cool turtles.
Yeah, we're playing on the newest version, so... Hey, okay. Stop killing me.
Yo, what's this? Over here.
Yeah, these are, I think, ruins.
Yo,
Yeah.
my PC hates me right now. I'm getting like 90 FPS. Oh wait, no, that's a good
It's
amount.
alright.
Never mind.
Oh, I hear the drowned. Oh, there he is.
What the hell is wrong with the map texture? Hey, yo. I gotta
What
fix
map
that.
pack? Well, it loads up slowly.
Uh-oh,
I'm just killing
that's
this
not good.
drowned zombie. I'm just punching him with my paws.
I found a stone axe.
Can you just freaking die? How many HP does drowned zombies have? I think
I
it's
think
still 20.
20.
Finally.
Let's go get the trees. I found an axe.
How
Oh
many
yeah,
animals are here? That's,
I
that's
don't know.
basically a lot of meat and
It's a
food.
slaughterhouse. Ooh, a baby. I kind of want to kill it, but I
Oh
don't.
yeah.
Yummy,
Slaughterhouse.
yummy, yummy, yummy.
No, don't you dare. You can kill the cow after it's adult. Not now. Look at it.
I'm
Just
gonna punch it in
innocent.
the face for looking at me wrong.
No, you remind me of like Buffy, which is one YouTuber too, and he just hates cows.
Minecraft modding is so different
Well,
compared
it's it
to.
like modding your own like mod pack or like setting it up is also hard. It looks like easy, but it doesn't. No, you need because you need the corresponding packs, the versions,
Yeah, and
even the like change logs to get the
libraries, all
newest.
that kind of stuff. I always thought
Yeah, it seems
Terraria
like setting
modding.
your own mod pack can looks easy, but if to be actually real, it does not. It's complicated.
Yeah, and this is why I always used to do like Terraria modding and stuff instead. It was always so much easier.
Yeah, Tmod Loader is much easier because you just apply the things that you want
Yeah,
and
and
boom,
also because
you can play it.
I'm also just a Terraria person.
And
I don't.
I think Mojang should do that too. Like I know I mean they hate the third party stuff, but
They should do it anyway. They should promote modding.
yeah, like they should promote modding. It's the greatest. Improves. It adds more experience. Like adding these you actually new actual biomes that are just not. It's just better than that.
Yeah, and Biomes of Plenty is an
You
awesome
zoom at
mod.
me if you have Optifine. I'll
Oh
look
yeah.
up there.
What the heck's the button
Hello
again?
there.
Oh, it's V. Yo, what's up? Don't fall.
Hello, it's me. I'm on the hill. You
I found
scared
a
me
cave.
with that explosion.
I found a cave.
Oh, nice. I'm crafting my own stuff.
Let me go inside. Oh wait, never mind. This
Yeah,
is in a cave.
yeah. You just got bamboozled by a fake cave.
I can't believe
Okay,
it.
I'm gonna better find you because
I'm like inside of the mountain.
I think where you are exactly, but I'm not sure. I almost fell. Holy crap. Ooh, okay, this biome.
I can see you. Here.
Oh, yeah, there you are. And there was a creeper up there, so I better go down.
Yeah. Alright. Holy
Imagine
crap.
being blown up from Extreme Hills Mountain.
Oh, yeah, that wouldn't be nice. Oh, oh my god.
Die, you freaking undead thing. You just almost killed me. Holy crap.
Here's a steak. Oh yeah, it glitches like that when you're not playing in single player. Oh shit.
Okay, that my legs almost got crippled.
You know the guy from
Oh,
SpongeBob?
watch out for that creep now.
The guy from SpongeBob who yells my, my
Watch
leg?
out! Watch out! Holy fuck!
Damn.
Damn! I just burst into the freaking air. Oh my god! There's my stuff. Come on! Come on! Come on! Yeet. Okay.
It's
Okay.
over here too.
Okay.
I keep trying to ping it like it's Apex. Because I've been playing that a
Looks like
lot
we played
recently.
too much Apex for today.
I play it a lot
Let
now
me just
because my little
cook
sister,
some food because
my
I
little
need a lot of
sister
cook.
is cracked at Apex. Here you go, use this.
Oh yeah, it's faster. I know. I
My little
just don't
sister
have the
is
people.
is a boss at Apex Legends. Here's your plant.
Did you pick some of my food?
No? What food did you have?
Oh my god.
Well, here's 5 pieces of steak anyway. I don't really care.
Let me
I found
grab
this
some
while I was
coffee.
waiting for you. It's flooded. I don't know how I feel about that. That looks creepy. That looks spooky. There's lapis.
Lapis? Um, okay.
Get it. I'm grabbing it.
Yeah, this is getting much deeper.
If you got a door, we can go down here, but I'd prefer not to mine in the water.
But you can spawn, oh
Oh.
yeah, I can craft more. I
Oh
can
my.
craft.
Yeah, that goes down deep. I forgot how different generation is now.
Can I mine down or?
Hmm. Yeah, we should.
Yeah, I'm, survival is,
YOLO.
wait, what the? I'm suffocating. Oh no.
There's a skeleton.
Use the shield.
We got in a cave.
Phew. Well, we
Yeah.
got into the level where there's much iron, many iron.
Yes.
You have a stone pickaxe, right?
Yeah.
You knew it.
Yeah, come up here with me.
What?
Come up here with me.
Yeah, right. I'm just
Yeah.
eating my lunch.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
Leo, excuse me.
I think we should do it in the non, sussy way.
I didn't even think of it
There.
like that.
Uh-oh.
There you go. Damn, Enderman, oh my. I like your lanky body. Should come in this double-bedded room. Oh! I got a dirt block. How cool is that? Oh wait, here, mine shaft, mine shaft. I forgot about this.
Yeah.
What are you clutching? How do you keep almost dying?
But it's some sort of weird freaking thing for me. It's like a curse because it applies to my every game when I play. Because I kill someone when I have low freaking HP or like that I'm nearly gonna die, and then I just boom, freaking kill him on the last shot. Just don't ask how I do it. It just happens.
It just does. I don't want a minecart with a chest. I don't know what the point of this is.
I don't know if you want a railway.
Don't go over there. You just picked up a bunch of garbage.
I always pick up the garbage because I know it can be useful. Also, this, you know what? This is not copper ore. This is a mistake. Look,
True, true.
this is a mistake. It's useless.
Don't even mine it.
Of
Don't
course,
even
the
just
mine
leave
is
it there.
useless. It's copper. It's
I think
ugly.
I hear the zombies are coming from somewhere. It might be under.
Like, you can use these lightning rods for decoration or something, key stuff like that, but
Yeah.
it's not useful.
Yay, I have diamonds. Woohoo.
Oh, crap! Run!
That's a clip. That is a clip. What is that?
Oh,
What was
okay.
that? Hey, there's another.
I have a seizure.
There's a.
Oh,
Oh,
fuck.
get it.
You're by yourself.
Alright, I'm fine.
No, 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 no. I'm going out. I'm going out. I have 2 HP. No
I'm.
way. Wait, how many freaking?
Jesus.
Oh my god.
What's at these scary ass caves? Holy crap. I just, you can't see any.
Happens 3 moments with Aiden. Oh fuck.
Oh. Nah,
No,
nah, nah.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay.
I'm gonna die.
Okay.
Oh,
You died. Yeah.
my shield broke. That was the problem, and I was at half a heart. And also, my weapon was about to break. Everything just breaks in this game. Oh my god.
Oh, okay, okay. Get out of me. It was actually more further in this big cave, and I found a single diamond, a single piece.
Yay, 1 diamond. Let's go.
Yeah. Okay.
What the heck, bro?
Yeah, it's just down these
Oh,
stairs.
I found 1. I found 2 diamonds. Yo, no, I found 3.
Mail. No way.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Oh,
get.
so you picked? Did you pick some of my stuff, or it's?
Nah, I didn't. Alright, so I have a diamond pickaxe now, so we can get obsidian. We can get
Yeah,
the
I
nether
have a
portal.
single diamond.
Ooh, yay, more diamonds. We're all in this cave. Wait, we're in a mossy cave, look.
Oh yeah, I didn't see these in a while, actually.
Then we have to find the glowberries.
Oh fuck. Uh,
There we go.
oh, thank you.
Alright,
Yeah, these caves had a lot of clay, somewhat and
yeah,
stuff.
let's
So
just go back to the
let's
surface.
get the frick out of here before
Get your.
we get crumb.
Alright, I got your.
Yeah, these are the skeletons right there. I need
Got you.
more iron.
You need more iron? I have 10 sitting in my inventory.
What the? Was there a slime?
Hey, yo.
Okay.
I've almost, like, never seen these spawn in before.
Yeah, me too, actually. I just see these, like, spawn on rare occasions. I don't know how.
They have very specific spawn rules. It's weird.
Yeah, and you know what spawn rates they had, or, like, spawn specifications they had in... Also, what the fuck? Look at this.
Hold on.
Aiden.
I need this gold. Alright, what do you need me to
What?
see?
Did you do this? Like...
What?
What is this? What is this thing right there?
I didn't make that.
Then what is this?
I don't know.
You just someone freaking cut a slicer into it.
I know, it looks so weird.
It's beginning some sort of weird ass creepy pasta.
How did we get down
Almost
here?
died again.
Oh yeah, I remember.
Am I doing this on purpose? Nearly dying, and
I'm
then
coming.
just freaking alive. Come on, come on! I can get up. Yes, I'm out. And it's
Shit.
nighttime. We should sleep.
Mm, yeah. God, you can't even swim up fast enough. Yo, what's up?
Mayo, we are recording for 1 hour.
What the fuck? Did I just wake up in your bed? Mm,
Okay, the weirdest thing, you actually wake up in my bed. You actually spawn right there.
and then you waked up in mine.
What did you
Woke
do
up in
to me
mine.
last night? Hello, come here. Hey, come here. What
What?
did you do to me?
I don't know. I wasn't conscious either. What the
How
hell?
dare you? You are unconscious.
Cause I do
What
short.
the? Whoa. Okay. You better see this. You better freaking see this.
What?
There's a baby zombie riding a chicken, having a golden armor. I don't know how this happened. It just spawned right next to me. What the?
Oh my god.
What are these chances? No way.
Hey yo.
No. I'm gonna dig a hole. Wait. Zombie, go into the pit.
Alright, get him in. Oh wait, we have to hit him in. Wait. There you go.
Okay, this is freaking fun. It's riding a fucking chicken.
It actually slowed him
Giving
down.
golden armor. Mayo. Get him, boy.
Check out my
Let's
bucket.
go.
Yo.
Two furries on a boat riding on the blue ocean. The blue ocean in the skies. Okay, stop. Sorry.
I'm blue too, I'm blue. Why am I...
Prodigen has some technical difficulties. Sort of. JK. What are you doing? Oh, Taiga.
We should build a house here.
Yeah,
Let's
this
see if we
is
can find a
perfect.
cave first. Let's see if we can find a cave. Oh, I keep fucking crouching because I'm not used to toggle yet.
Okay, look at this big ass cave.
Okay, we're building a house here.
Yeah, this is, and there's a mine shaft. Yeah, there's a fucking mine shaft. I see wood.
This is
How
where we're
many
gonna
mine shafts are there?
Alright,
Holy crap! Yeah, we're
place your
building
bed
a
down.
house.
Place
Right
your
here.
bed down.
We need
Just
to build a house.
place your bed down temporarily until we can move it in.
Yeah.
Yo.
So thank you for watching, and thank you Sega. I mean Aiden.
That's the second
For
time this
the
video.
collaboration video, and of course we would do more episodes together. We
Yeah.
will build the house and
And
stuff.
probably mix in other content videos too, because you remember I have a game.
Yeah, we had some unusual moments during this video, so like
I hope it was
especially the freaking zombie in the golden armor.
I hope
That
it
was
was.
the freaking.
I hope it was entertaining, and see you. I don't know. That zombie back there is video bombing. All right, see you guys.
He's video bombing. We need
Leave
to.
the game.
Okay. Freaking die, you zombie bomber. Okay. See you next time, boys.
Yeah.